Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Jamie Redknapp will be one of our super pundits. So Baba don't come as I call it analyze Arsenal's chance of winning the league title and Man City's chance of winning it. So Baba can make one salient point, one very important point. So Baba can talk say if Leicester City fit win the league some years ago, with not they don't even get the kind of players where Arsenal get, why Arsenal no go fit win now? Now what Baba can they explain. So if we check that Leicester setup, how many stars now they get for that team as of then? They check this Arsenal side now, how many stars? They will say Leicester don't even get the belief say they go fit win the league. They just believe say one more just they play they go now. That kind of March, April, they call they get the belief. So we fit do this thing we fit do am that time they call they get the belief get. So Baba Redknapp call they talk say as Arsenal they play now, people don't give them different tests. In the beginning, they say they never play any top 6 team. Now they never play top 6 team. They beat Tottenham Hotspur, and they always beat Tottenham Hotspur. Now they can't play Man U, they lose Man U, and she be with Tucker. Before you know, they can't play Liverpool, knock Liverpool. People gonna believe say wait they never knock Liverpool for a very long time. They even knock them. Nobody see them score 1 goal. They score 1, 2, 3. Almost change the video. Before you know, they don't knock Chelsea. Almost see it's like they are getting there. No. Let them. If that January, everything will change. They just shift the goalposts. Different tests to test our resolve, to test our ability. When will all this testing end? You get, if you reach January now, you have to say Arsenal have never been top of the league by January or heading to December. I guess it don't happen. Like I say, okay, let's wait till January. After January, that is when I will know whether they are truly title contenders. January go come now, go this December 26th now, go meet West Ham. Whatever happen, we say no. We still need to wait. Like what you got in every talk. Say now until Arsenal win the league before you go know say yes, Arsenal get the power, because say Arsenal have the power. They always do say they will do tranga, try to win the thing. Later they will come F up again. So everybody get their own. I want to say make una know the shifts to goalposts and how many times una go test us. Away from that, so Gary Neville self don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal are the best team in the league. Say no doubt, like I just talked about, Arsenal still need to prove their mettle. They still need to prove to us say they no be child's play again. Say no be just fluke again. So no be say what happened last season no go happen again, because they always give reference to what happened last season, because everybody they push Arsenal say Arsenal go get the top 4 last season. But like 4 games to go there about Arsenal can't capitulate. So instead of talk say that capitulating behavior is still the Arsenal body. Say they see Arsenal say that kind of March, April, and Arsenal will come crumble like a pack of cards. Say go wait till that kind of April guess before you can know where Arsenal did. Well, we'll just watch our own number could take on game after game. We'll send all these people. Our Fabrizio Romano don't come outside and give us some kind of positive news on the deal with Michalo Mudryk of Shakhtar Donetsk. So Babaka talk say Arsenal don't make contact with the Shakhtar camp now. So they want to really sign this guy, and he can see they expatiate more on the place where it will make sense for the boy to go play. So you can talk say EPL is the best place the boy wants to go, and at the best league in the world. Obviously, if you go there, get all the attention. Look at the attention where Leala they get. It's the best league in the world you get. So maybe go there, and the best team right now for him to join is Arsenal, because Arsenal gets an amazing project. It gets a very powerful project. We don't know where this project they carry then they go, and they have a very young team. We go favor him because he's a young boy. So imagine him coming in to join the likes of Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard, Gabriel Jesus. All of them they very young. So in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 years they can even still play together and achieve a whole lot of things. So Baka says the best place for the guy to go now Arsenal. But say all those rumors when they hear say Arsenal now offer £52.2 million, the Shakhtar Donetsk is expecting something bigger than that. Get, but all you can tell us now is that talks have begun, because Arsenal don't they in contact with Shakhtar Donetsk to show their interest, genuine interest that really want to sign this guy. So we just see how they go. Generally no fan, it will still come. Our Martinelli himself don't come aside from media settings, so we can address the Arsenal fans. Can talk say we will say he hope say we enjoy that Wolves win. We will they beat Wolves win. So he hope say we enjoy and we will be fans. But talk say when they come back, see they will do more. You get, see they will do more than that for this break where they go, and the break too long, about 6 weeks. 6 weeks of no EPL football. Now wow. Well, Not what we do now, we just wait till they come back. In after this one will break our momentum, but just hope say by the time when the boys come back, the boss see the body now. No year story, we'll just hit the next, you'll be like a new season. Everybody will don't rest. This one, the whole 20 EPL teams will do resets, get so everybody will rest. By then, the Smith will don't come back as we will get a clean bill of health, no injury. Kaya Kenak will be one of our Arsenal correspondents. The guy that write articles for Football London about Arsenal. So Babaka come and say I can express more clarity about that Granit Xhaka sickness. So you got to say that thing and that food they eat before that match, you get that Wolves match. Now pre-match meal. Now what did they eat? So now a stomach bug, now one bug, now illness bug, yeah. Now like now sickness, you get. And it's come be like say they contagious because call it pass from one person to another. So it is also a blessing in disguise. Say this break don't come because if say this break never comes, she hide for Pidgin. She will go to isolate everybody. She then go train together again. So this is coming at a good time. So everybody don't go to their mama house so that they will sanitize everywhere because they don't understand why like 4 to 5 players won't get this bug. But now only Granit Xhaka and you come be like say this severe small, it can't break down. Or if to see they no go that break, they come back. You don't know whether for dressing room the virus day. I've been for the kitchen, I've been for the common area. You don't know where the thing is. So it is good that everybody has gone out, so they go isolate everywhere, they just sanitize everywhere. Then by the time when they come back, everybody go down their feet. Our Peter Crouch said, don't they for media set, when they explain one thing when you feel say people know. So Baba when they talk say, no be everybody expects Arsenal to be where they are today. You get, not many people expected that. And said BT Sports even carry out a poll, you get, like a vote, say who you think say go win the league. That's for this match day 14, as this match day 14 day, that's right after Man City beats Brentford. Because who do you think will win the league? 25% now vote for Arsenal. The remaining 75 voted for Man City. Get, for you to know that not many people even want Arsenal to win the league. Like some people they envious of Arsenal. They don't even believe say Arsenal get any outside chance to win. They believe say Man City will still overtake Arsenal in the future. You get, but you know how it be. I mean, I like other kinds. I know they like maybe they even call us title contenders or anything. We know what we are, get, and we don't want louder, get. We just do on the low key. Make all the pressure do on Man City, say make they can't catch us. We may they just free us. I know say by that kind of January, February, March, if we still be top, people will probably take us more serious. And if Man City in the new year can go drop more points than Arsenal again, now there the pressure will come down on Arsenal because the attention will come shift. If Man City, listen now, we don't 5 points ahead of Man City. If Man City for any reason can go draw any other match again, we can't win. We'll see the points gap, it will come increase more. Or maybe they lose, we can't win. So all the attention is going to now focus on Arsenal. They'll come to look us. And let's say Arsenal, we know sometimes they know how to handle pressure. You get somebody I didn't even talk about somebody with Wolves. I tell them say we played badly and we won. Because I say how can we win 2-0 and play badly? It is just the truth. Wolves were not clinical on the night. If say Wolves get somebody like Diego Costa or Jimenez for that they are scored, look at all the chances we Guedes the waste. Look at all the chances we created. First half for they 2-0 down. They created a lot of chances now. Look at that back pass where Saliba do, where Guedes come wine up. They were not clinical on the night, and we should thank our stars. Say it did like that. That is why Wolves have only scored 8 goals this season, according to Manny, and I checked it to be true. Wolves scored 8 goals this season. It shows they are not a goal scoring side. They create chances are plenty, but they cannot convert these chances. So that is why we escaped with 2-0. You get, we played badly that match, but we eventually win. That's what's up. For the media setting also, Ateta when they reflect on the match day 1 to match day 14. So Baba when they talk say almost say the truth should be told. Nobody expected us to be first after match day 14, you get, and everything goes down to our hard work, the togetherness, the bonding, the camaraderie from the family of the players, from the players to the staff, to your own internal staff. Everybody down to the fans. The unity in Arsenal is something you have never seen before. No negativity, no trolling. Everybody's on the same page. You go pay money, come for the stadium, when they shout at the top of your lungs. It shows how happy you are to be there. As in praising the boys, chanting the Arsenal chants. In short, this season itself, that North London Forever anthem, that anthem already they bring goosebumps. Even for the Emirates Stadium, they sing that song. You go fall, you go not say this, you go feel am. Don't be say you go feel am. You go not say yes, I'm at home. You will be the players when they there like 65,000 capacity singing North London Forever. You said you go not say I got die for these people. That's why Gabriel Jesus talk say if you check the way Arsenal they play, we are running, even in training, we are running from the beginning to the end. And our saving grace is the fact that we have a very, very young squad. That is why we can outrun other squad with the ball and without the ball. We are always running, you get. And you know they used to running. You now running now, we run you down, you get, and gun you down, outclass you, outrun you, outpass you, create more chances than you. Tell me why we shouldn't win, man. Tell me that. At the same time, they ask Arteta say whether I watch that Man City match versus Brentford on the day with them play. And Baba Conte say yes, say that time so they did from motorway, they go for their own stadium to go play against Wolves for the Molineux Stadium. So you got to say yes, say then watch the match for the team boss. They can even ask and say whether the players also watch. I'm saying they will follow me watch and a lot of us watch and because they can ask and say okay, so how the players react when Ivan Toney scored the winning goal. Laugh because say as you imagine, you can imagine the atmosphere. Which means everywhere erupts like volcano. Everybody, they happy that. The same way me say I think happy when I watch the match. As Tony score, I jump up, I shout. I was very, very happy. That's the joy of football, man. On my way from that, so Ken Ellie don't come as I can talk about Man City. So Baba can talk say the saving grace we Arsenal get this season. Now the fact say Man City never hits top form, you get. And the fact say they never hit top form, it comes as an advantage for Arsenal to hit top gear and make sure say they amass a lot of points because you know say normal Man City they go like 12, 13, 14 games unbeaten. They beat everybody straight run. But this season has been very, very different. In fact, this season is an unusual season. This is a season where people like Man City they don't hit top form, they don't go that their long winning streak where they always do, they always drop point, either them draw or something happen. Normal before Man City no go draw against Newcastle. This Brentford, Man City for win again because normal before they will just beat. This is the season where Liverpool, we are like, can you imagine Arsenal? They're 15 points ahead of Liverpool in this season. This is a season where Chelsea is even outside the top 4 and are at risk of making the top 4 this season. Chelsea could do like maybe 7 or 8 for the table. This is a season where Manchester United are below Arsenal. You get Manchester United yesterday, they won 2-1 against, I don't forget who they played with, and they almost lost. They played against Fulham. They almost lost that yesterday. Like that minute they can't score 2-1. Fulham, like Wolves, they were not very clinical because their number 1 striker in Mitrovic, he no even play. I don't know whether an injury or whether a suspension, but he no play. So imagine if Mitrovic was there. Look at these chances upon chances that were begging to be converted when they created against Manchester United, and they could not do that. And Manchester United, just a single line of brilliance, they can't win. So that is what this league gives you. This league no be La Liga where we say every day. Don't know say na Real Madrid and back and they control that place, or you go Syria. You don't know say okay. Now even this season itself, people in Syria can't say they won't break the monopoly of Juventus. This season, last season, Juventus now they even struggle to enter the top 4, so they don't break the monopoly there. When you go to other clients, go to Germany. If it's not Bayern, it is Bayern. So these are the things we like to correct in the EPL. Arsenal now don't try to break the monopoly and dominance of a Liverpool and a Man City side. The rest 18 teams, apart from Liverpool and Man City, they are trying to bridge the gap the gap in class. They are trying to bridge it to make sure say this league is the most competitive league in world football, as it should be. So away from that, so Chris Sutton will be one of our super monitoring spirits. So Baba can talk say if Arsenal key players they fit for the entire season, then go win the league. Because the difference between Man City and Arsenal is the fact that Man City have strength in depth. They get the people waiting for the first 11 are as good as those waiting for the second 11. But the reverse is the case when you talk about Arsenal. For Arsenal, people waiting for the first 11 are a lot better, stronger than those waiting for the second 11. That's why we always cry for squad depth. Squad depth not in terms of quantity, but in terms of quality. That's what we are talking about, because we have the numbers quite alright, but in terms of quality, when you remove the Gabriel Jesus, you are putting in an Edinketia, you see the drop in class, drop in quality, drop in pressing, drop in dribbling rates. So all these are what we are talking about. You remove the Martinelli, remove the Saka, you see the drop in quality. Remove the Xhaka, remove the Partey, you see the drop in quality. But when you come to Man City, you remove Erling Haaland, they will still play the normal way and still score. After all, they win league title without Erling Haaland. Erling Haaland is like the icing on the cake, you get. They probably brought him for Champions League football, you get. When you remove Mahrez, you have a Foden, you have a Grealish. Come on, you can go and you have Kevin De Bruyne. So they have many stars, even those on the bench. Come on, Stones, you have a Kanji. Come on, Laporta, you have Diaz. They get many top world class players. So that's a gulf in difference between we and them. But that does not mean when it comes to the field of play, we will not take the points. Now 11-11. And Brentford don't show and say Man City are not spirits. They can be beaten, and beaten shall they be. So if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is a new week, and get out.